How to change password in Webex Cisco. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change password in Webex Cisco. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log in into your Webex Cisco account, just like I have done here. Alright, so if you've not created an account, ensure you create one. So once you've created an account and then you have a password and all of that, and then you want to change your password, it's very easy. The first thing to do after logging in is to move over to the left side of the screen where you'll see some options. Ensure you select profile. Okay, so you select profile to load, and then you'll be taken to your profiles page. So that once you're taken to the profiles page, next thing for you to do is to scroll down. You'll see address security. Yes, so once you're in the security section, the next thing for you to do is to tap on it this way or click on reset. Okay, just click on reset. Now once you click on reset, a box will pop up asking you to change password. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is to type your new password here, then click on confirm, on then confirm the password. After that, click on saved. All right, and once you click on saved, immediately your password will be changed. It is that simple. I am not typing out a new password because I do not desire to change my password, but I'm sure you understand. So go ahead and change your password today. Thanks for watching.